Hi, I'm Brian Rodriguez, Senior Sales and Application Engineer for Capital Robotics. What we're showing today is the FA200 weld cell. As every cell has, we have a common base platform with fork pockets on every facet for a unitized structure. We have two stations allowing this system to be loaded and unloaded while the other one's being used. The common base platform also extends to a controller and the welding machine, allowing for the same common base for ease of placement. Once you're ready, hit cycle start. The safety door opens, allowing that unit to be safe. Now I can go to the opposite side, the second station, load parts up, get everything ready, press cycle start. That now puts the second station in reserved, meaning once the safety's up, the robot knows it needs to dive over to the second station. As we walk around to the back end of the cell, we have all the safety peripherals and air located right here. Air hookups on the back, as well as the safety interface. All your wires terminate for the back, located for nice and easy serviceability. Safety interlock door opens it up. Safety interlocks kills the robot while in automatic operation. And again, as every facet has fork pockets for ease of movement. This unit shows a modular weld hood also on top of it.